Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm gonna teach you about comments in PHP. So what are comments in PHP? Comments are the lines of codes written inside the PHP program that are not executed by PHP. Because comments are just right to understand the meanings of the statements or the lines of code of PHP. So I'm gonna write here a comment. So to write comment in PHP, just put // and after this I can write my comment. So this is a comment in PHP. For example, let's say that I'm using here a echo statement to display any text on a web page. So I'm gonna write here hello world. So it will contain a comment. So I'm gonna write here a comment that so this means this comment is showing that this echo statement is used to display text on web browser or web page. So this is only the description about the PHP line of code that I have written here. So there is another way to write comment in PHP. Just put a hash sign and after that write the comment that you want to write about any PHP statements. So we write comment so that if we saw our code after 2 months or after 3 months, then we will be able to understand the meanings of the PHP lines of code after reading the comment below or written below or above the lines of code. So this is also a type of comment. So this means that we can also write comment in this way. After hash sign, the text written will be considered as comment in PHP. This is also a comment. And if we want to write a multi-line comment in PHP, so put / static. This is a closing multi-line comment. Oh sorry, this is a starting or opening multi-line comment, and to close this multi-line comment just put static and /. So in between these starting and ending multi-line comments we can also write a multi-line comment. For example, let's see here, this is a multi-line comment. So if we want to write a multi-line comment in our PHP code, then we will use this method, and these two methods are just single line comments. So hopefully guys you have understood about comments in PHP, that why we use comments. So thanks for watching this tutorial. I'll see you in the next tutorial.